I'm very happy you decided to watch this class, and to begin with, we're going to discuss your class project. The idea here is that to really learn, you shouldn't just watch me doing something, but you should do it yourself also. So throughout the class, each lesson is going to teach you a different set of skills, and for each one of them, I'm going to choose the best kind of footage to showcase the feature that I want you to see. So to learn alongside me, you can download all the footage we are going to use in the resources section. And by learning how these features work, it's going to be all about your creativity to mix them and create your own videos. And in one of the last lessons, I'm gonna edit a video from start to finish. And your project can be to either recreate that video, to put in practice everything that you've learned, or if you're feeling extra confident, to simply create your own video and upload it to the projects panel. You can put it on Google Drive, Dropbox, and just share the link, or on YouTube, for example, and leave it as unlisted so that only us with the link can actually see and comment on your videos. And let me repeat this because it's very important. Watching the class is a huge step, but actually putting it into practice is going to be a much bigger one. So watch it, but try it. And in the next lesson, we're going to be talking about how to install CapCut and the basic settings you gotta do to begin editing.